Hello, myself Ganesh. Today I will discuss about profile creation using Ansible Playbook. How to resolve port number issues. Also, we need to solve the issues. Wait 5 more minutes. Now, okay, this is the Ansible Playbook, and we have faced issues regarding port number. While starting the DMGR, we get port number issues. See, this is the issue. This is the port DMGR. This is port number issue while starting the DMGR. Okay, but how to resolve means check ls space list IFI 1105. It shows the by using this command it will get process ID which was run in earlier. We need to kill the process. We need to kill the process and rerun the command for starting the DMGR. This is the real-time issues. This is the real-time issues we have faced in any production servers or non-production servers. We those who are attending, those who are attending interviews in related to middleware technologies, we need to inform we have resolved the port number related issues. Number issues, that is port to conflict or port number is already used while starting the DMGR. That is deployment manager, we will get java.lang dot null pointer receptions, null pointer reception. We need to observe clearly in the logs in the dmgr systemout.log. See, it will shows port number is already used. This is the port number is already used. This is UDP, Universal Datagram Protocol, port numbers. Okay. After that, we need to see one more time, one more issue. See, java.lang.null pointer reception. While starting the DMGR, we need to verify null pointer receptions. So we need to resolve these related issues. This is the solutions. This is this is the solution. Now I am going to start creating the profiles by using Ansible Playbook. This is my playbooks. I am creating the dashboard for all my servers displays in the one dashboard, that is CPU utilization and hung threads and memory utilization and all the things we need to display in the dashboard. This is upcoming classes we will show in the dashboards. Ansible underscore playbook hyphen I slash etc Ansible inventories WebSphere.yml and profiles.yml is the playbook. It will create profiles in this profiles.yml consists of two profiles only, DMGR and app server. If I need more profiles, I have another playbook is there, app server profiles.yml. It will create three profiles. See, profile is created. Now profile is not created because it's already created. Now directory is there. Now I am deleting the directories. Profile directory is created. Now creating the DMGR profile by using manage profile.sh create profile name profile path OPT IBM WebSphere app server profiles under DMGR, and template path is we are using management template OPT IBM WebSphere app server profile templates. That is the default template we are using cell name DMGR underscore cell1 node name DMGR underscore node1. This is the profiles creation of the DMGR. Later, I will configure federation. Okay, after that, We need to create the clusters by using the Ansible Playbook only. We have Ansible Playbook for everything. We need to create the node. We need to federate the node. We need to remove the node from the DMGR console. Now creation of the application profile. By using application server profile, we need to create the servers. We need to deploy the application into the application servers. What is the difference between manager node and unmanager node? Nothing but manager node create the application server process into the existing server. When a web server unmanaged node consists of create unmanaged node, create the web server definitions. Application server process does not present in the existing node. Now I will verify profiles. Clear. I am zooming it. Okay. This is DMJAR profile. Okay. I will create one more two profiles by using app server profile.yml is there. This profile includes this XML, this YML includes app server 1, app server 2, app server 3, but app server 1 is already exist. It will skip app server 1 and create app server 2 and app server 3 profiles. Before doing any activities in the real-time environment, we need to raise the change task and approval for the cab authority board and manager's authority. Then we need to implement the change with the schedule state. And last class, we have faced the issues related to IHS start and stop commands. This is the real-time issues we are faced. This is the version, this is the OS related issues we are facing. I will show you. Last class, we are faced the IHS start command, IHS start related issues. It shows library files are missing. Library files are not found. This is the not found. This is not found. It shows not found. Now today I have installed this OS related libraries. OS related libraries. OS related libraries. OS related. Then it will working fine the issues. Okay, and I have worked around 2 days. Worked around 2 days to to resolve the OS related issues. This is the Ansible playbook completed profiles. This is the profiles created in the app in the WebSphere Application Server environment. This is no errors, no unreachable, nothing is there. All servers are reachable. This is DMGR. This is app server 1 and app server 2 and app server 3. Now I will verify. Now I will verify app server 1 and app server 3. This is now I will run app server and I will verify. I will verify the port number. See 8880. Actually 8879 is there. 8879 means first time we create the DMGR. It will shows 8879. Now I have two more times deleted the profiles and recreate for testing purpose. Then it will create another port number. After run the DMGR, we need to federate the node to the DMGR by using Ansible Playbook. After that, we need to create the clusters. That is cluster name is production underscore cluster. PRD underscore cluster is the my name. Okay. My DMGR is up and running. Now I will do it federation. Federation, I changed already 8880 is the port number. We have verified one more time before execute the Ansible playbook. See, I have take backup and execute the script. Ansible underscore playbook -i /etc Ansible trace which is this is federation. While doing federation, DMGR is must should be up and running fine. See, this is I am using CentOS 10, which is Red Hat family. Wait 2 more minutes. Federation is going on. App server node 1. App server node 1 completed. Okay. It will go to app server 2 by using the yard node.sh app server node 1 plus DMGR cell. We need to federate. This is the script. We need to federate the node to the DMGR cell. Later, after successfully completed, we start the servers. Later, we need to create the clusters. In the cluster member name is app server 1, app server 2, app server 3 is the servers, yeah, application server profiles under test underscore server 1, test underscore server 2, test underscore server 3. This is the command to run the clusters. Verify the federation status. Okay, this is already knows. We have no script is there. I will create this script list nodes. I'm preparing this script in upcoming classes, and I will execute in front of this in front of the class. See, this is the federation. App server node 1 is completed. The app server node 1 successfully federated. Now I am going to app server node. This is app server node is successfully federated. See, successfully federated. Now I am going to app server 3. Successfully federated. I will go and start our servers in the console level. HTTP 192.168.90.129.9061/IBM/console. Server types. Select all servers. And I am going to start the servers. See, server 1 is there, but no issues. Now, vim cluster.yml. By using admin task dot create a cluster member is the script. By using JCL Json script to create the clusters, cluster name and the member configurations, member node. Now here no clusters are there. See, there is no clusters. I am going to create the clusters. Creating PRD underscore cluster. We'll go into create like this. This is Jinja 2 template is there. By using Jinja 2 template, we are creating the cluster name by using Jinja 2 conditional statement template. Jinja 2 is most powerful tool in the DevOps. Jinja 2 is the most powerful tool. I am just creating the clusters. Okay. Verify the cluster membership. If any errors, it will ignores. Next, we are deploy the application by using Ansible Playbook. Later, we're creating the certificates, self-signer certificate using the Ansible Playbook. This is the cluster member 1, cluster member 2, and cluster member 3. This is the cluster created production cluster. Now, I will go into the clusters. This is a production cluster. This is my cluster member 1 and the cluster member 2, cluster member 3. Now I will start my clusters. And I verify the logs by using Ansible Playbook. And one more thing, we are creating the alias. While doing alias, we can enter alias only. It is start and stop commands also executed. I will show you this. I will show you that also. cd opt profiles.d see vim. This is the alias. Start command is works. Stop command. I will run the start command. See, start command, okay. /opt WebSphere App Server Profiles dmjar01. This is the bashrc command. This is underscore bashrc. This is the real-time task we are implementing. And app server start command. And the next class, I will go into the execute the playbook with synchronization, how to use synchronization using Ansible Playbook. This is the bashrc, most important in the real-time scenarios. I will show you where is the bashrc. This is fine. And this is under working, but it's working or not, I don't know. I will try myself. Mhm. Yeah, I am working on this. cd pim bashrc. It is there only bashrc. Mm, I will work offline. I will work offline this. See, cluster is created with these three members. See, this is the production cluster. Okay. I am going to create the server. Sorry. I am going to create the unmanaged node. Unmanaged node supports the web server process definitions. One 92, 168, 98, 129. Create new web server 1. VAS admin. I will show you how to create this. I will show you how to create this VAS admin username and password. I will show you. Okay. OPT IBM, HTTP server bin, Apache CTL-K start, kill-9 43571. OPT IBM, HTTP server conf, take the backup. PS-F HS is upon running fine. There is no issues. Now I am going to start the playbook for uptime. See, Java is running, noise is not running because it's not generate and propagate, right? That is the thing. It shows like this. Server uptime is 2 hours. Okay. Later, profile plugin properties. We need to paste this in the config. Shift to G. Plugin load module version 905. Load module 24, I think. That is 24 is the load module supports version 5. We have, yeah, 24, 22 is there. We need to change to 24. Yes, 24 is there. Okay, here also 22 is there. I configure now. What is the port number? Clusters port numbers. 9446. 9447. Cluster member 2. And 8081 IHS. Mm, 9085. That is security I seen. Nine zero eight three. Okay, 9084. Okay. Go to environment. Go to virtual host, default host, host alias, add the port numbers. And here 192.168.98.129. Sometimes network level using IP address, sometimes non-IP address. Use star, they put star. After that, stop the cluster and start the clusters. Application is not deployed yet. Tomorrow I will deploy the application using the Ansible Playbook. See, I difficult to create the playbook. I search online and GitHub, Copilot, but not to come up to the mark. We need to some changes also we have. Some changes also we did some changes. Not exactly copy paste. We need changes some changes also. Yes, and web servers generate the plugins, propagate the plugins. Now vim admin.conf use 8008 is the port number. And vim admin.password and give the username is equal to bash admin cd bin dot slash hd password hyphen c opt ibm http server conf username is bash admin, password is bash admin. Okay, now I will go to this console. web server and remote web server management and VAS admin is given. See, now I start and stop operation. See, not to stop it now. Now I will start admin console pwd dot slash apache ctl hyphen k stop dot slash admin ctl start. Now ps hyphen f pipe symbol grep HTTPD is not running. HTTPD is not running. See, server is stop. Now I will operate server in the console. See, this is the console. I have start and stop operation in the console itself. This is architecture. Okay. This is the thing we are going to WebSphere. This is the concept. Till now, I am using the Ansible Playbook, and I have write manually. Sometimes I have copy from internet, and finally we have did cluster upgrade cluster. Next, we are going to deploy the application using Ansible Playbook. Okay, I will test one more time before going to the class. Okay, please share to your friends and family members, those who are learning WebSphere Application Server. Okay, now this is admin. See admin conf. Okay, this is httpd.conf. I will zoom it. I will zoom it. This is admin conf. This is httpd.conf. I will show you the alias. While type alias, it will shows. See, this is the bashrc. Where it will comes, I will show you. While start command, it will start command if it is good. I will show you. Wait one more time. Vim that bashrc. etc profile D. Wait, I will reboot the server. Wait, I will reboot the server. Power restart the guest OS. Don't don't go to the particular path and execute the command start server.sh. We need to create the alias by using Ansible Playbook only. Every organization they will create the bashrc file for alias. Server is not up. Still, this is the VMware. Restarting the VMware. We XPR something is there in the Linux. Linux. This is no Linux console. This is the see. Now I will start. Start the command is not start node is not there. So I will start dmjar is going to execute like this. See, I am not going to that path. Okay, simple. See, dmjar. I am not create anything. Now just start underscore ihs. I am start ihs. Okay, like this. cd opt. Now I am going to execute. Take the backup of alias. Now I will execute here. app server 2. I am configuring bashrc. And the next class, if you go in, if everything is good, next class, I am going to configure Puppet configurations, because Puppet only we need to change. If once if we change one server, it will change all servers, alias names and all the things. See, alias, I am going to start node. Okay. I change the title of the class. How to configure bashrc also. Okay. After node, I will change the server names. Node here. App server 2 I will put, because all names are same that wise. Mm, this is start and stop. This is app server start node. I will put app server 1 underscore node node. underscore node and configure 3. See, this is the node start server. Okay, this is node and start server, stop server. Node start server and stop server. Reboot. Alias. Okay. This is like this. Bashrc also we need to configure like this. This also Ansible Playbook only. I will add clusters also. Server is fine, no issues. Server name is mismatch. See, here not there. CD / opt. But it's there. Why is no not? This only. What is there? Why it's not saying? Wait, I will start. No, it's not good. We add server only in inside that inside alias. I will troubleshoot my offline like this. This is also good, but we don't know server names. If you know server names, well and good. If you don't know server names, how to start? That is the thing we need to. This is the new concept of bashrc. Different organization, different issues. But this also we need to add admin.ctl start also. I will test this. Yes, it comes now. Kilal Java. See, stop. Stop. Okay. Stop server 3. I'm not going to any path to execute the commands. Okay. PS. I will log out. Yes, see, I will stop now. AppSR we also stop. This is the real-time environment. We can configure like this in the Puppet environment. In the Puppet, in GitHub, Git push and Git pull, create the symbolic links. Puppet team is separate team is there. We need to contact Puppet request. DMjar is running. I am not go any path, specific path. I run stop underscore DMGR. It will run the DMGR. Stop the DMGR PS. If I need pipe symbol grep Java. Now I will do DMGR. Just DMGR. That's it. Start the DMGR. That's it. Start underscore IHS. Stop underscore IHS. Stop underscore. Any doubts? Please reach out to me. See, no Java process running. Now I will reboot. Now I will reboot. Servers are running or not, we can verify. If I reboot the server, reboot the VMware, servers are automatically restart by using systemd service in the Linux environment. If not started, we'll start by using systemd service. We can configure that is next class. If VMware is restart, servers are automatically restart. We cannot touch anything. See, not started, right? Next class I am doing Next class. This is when the reboot occurs. I will create the file here, WebSphere. Automatically, server when reboot the servers, automatically servers are coming up in the real-time scenarios. Same thing we are doing in the personal server. Tomorrow's class we will do it. Okay. Okay. Same thing we are configure in my personal servers. Thank you for watching it. Kindly share your friends and family members, those who are learning WebSphere application servers. Okay, thank you.